Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Twitter ads account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Twitter ads account, begin by logging into your Twitter account. Once logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the More option. In the drop-down menu, select Twitter ads. This action will take you to the Twitter ads homepage. If this is your first time accessing Twitter ads, you may see a welcome message. Click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to select your advertising objective. Choose the objective that aligns with your business goals. Common objectives include brand awareness, website traffic, or app installs. After selecting your objective, click on the Next button. Next, you will need to set up your ad account. Fill in the required information, including your country and time zone. Ensure your billing information is accurate for future ad payments. Twitter will guide you through this process step by step. Once you have entered all necessary details, review them carefully. After confirming all information is correct, click on the Create Account button. Now your Twitter ads account is active, but you'll need to set up your first campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to create based on your selected objective. Follow the prompts to define your target audience. This includes demographics, interests, and geographic locations. Set your budget and schedule for the campaign duration. Decide on payment options and confirm your budget settings. Once everything is set up, create your ad content. Be sure to include engaging visuals and compelling copy. Review your ad carefully to ensure compliance with Twitter's ad policies. Once satisfied, hit the Launch Campaign button. Your Twitter ads account is now fully activated and ready for your advertising efforts. Monitor your campaign performance through the Twitter ads dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.